video, y'all? It's your boy Ron Smooth. We back with another video. In today's video, man, it's not gonna be nothing too serious. I'm just gonna give y'all a POV in the rain. I decided why not just show y'all how it is. But I am gonna let y'all know I am on bald tires. So this may not be for all Dodgechargers if y'all looking to get one, or if y'all do got one, if y'all think about driving in the rain, or if it's wet outside. My tires is bald, so of course I ain't gonna have the best grip or the best traction. So don't take this too much. Just remember that if y'all thinking about it. Let me clean the camera off. But yeah, man. It ain't raining too hard, but it's wet enough out there. Y'all can see the raindrops on my windows. It ain't raining too hard, but it rained. Might hit some corners for y'all if it stay wet all today. I might hit some corners for y'all.
Cap.
If you don't follow my social media, I do have some new, well, I'm gonna say, if you don't follow me on social media, go follow me at 392Ron. So, you feel me, go do that so y'all can get sneak peeks of my everyday life and like secret mods and stuff like that. But I do got some rims on the way, so be tuned for that video. Like I said, comment below what y'all think the rims gonna be. Either Daytona rims, the 5 spokes, the Hellcat Spider rims, or the wide body rims. Damn, this loud ass truck. Calm down, nigga. I'm trying to talk to my video.
Shut your bitch ass up before I get to talking shit about you.
Oh yeah, or the wide body wheels. So y'all drop below what y'all think I'm gonna get. They supposed to be here on Halloween, so hopefully they get here early so I can start them early and get that video for y'all. If they come later, then I'm probably gonna have to. Well, matter of fact, I might still try to start them on Halloween. So I'm gonna still have a Halloween video for y'all. I might do something for that too, like hit 100 car wash or something like that. But I'm gonna bring y'all a Halloween video for sure. I don't want it to be just all about cars, but it's gonna be mainly about cars. But I'm gonna try to slowly sneak other stuff in there, you know. Slowly sneak just regular day vlogs. Cause at the end of the day, you know, everybody don't like cars, but everybody do like say everybody don't like cars, but people like me for my personality. So I'm just be dropping regular vlogs too for some Mustang truck. Well, my bad, I had seen the police, so I had to get around that. I don't want to hit the gas too much. They might be around the area. It is a Friday, so and it's the end of the month. So you know the police like to be out here. If y'all didn't know, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and like the beginning of the month or like the end of the month, the police love to be out during the city. So you gotta be careful. 300 right there. See, I just slid all right there. That's why I can't even hit the gas, but this bitch is gonna slide all day. Ooh, I think I seen the boys over there too. But this bitch just slid all day. Barbershop right there. I might go get a lunch. No, I ain't even. I got my own barber. I can't even say shit right there.
Fuck you.
That the fan right there? They is up there, matter of fact. So what's up, y'all? Another clip. Still raining. I think it actually rained some more, to be honest. I'm gonna give y'all POV. Try to do a couple pulls, but I really can't do shit for real, cause my fucking left tire's bald in the mud. Like if I try to hit the gas, bro, all you see me spinning. That's just scary too. Not scary, but look. I ain't gonna lie though. I kinda like driving in the rain though, cause it's kinda like you can save tires so you can actually cut up too.
Broke nigga alert.
Hey, look at this, bro. This car will speed up, son. All I do is keep spinning. Should do all clip action for y'all. Just keep doing that. But hopefully when I get my new tires, the rims in, we can see if it actually grip and how fast it can go for real. They do come in on the 31st. I'm gonna try to push the video out for y'all. I got my window looking off. But yeah, the video will be dropping. Damn. I don't know how they redid it, but it feel like it's even more bumpier than what it was before. The rim's supposed to be getting here on the 31st. I don't know what time. I don't know what time the rim's supposed to be getting here, but they get here on the 31st. Hopefully they come early or at least midday, so I can at least, you know, try to go pick them up. bring y'all the content. Motherfuckers literally slid up that whole block. What the hell? Yeah, it's time for new tires, bro. Gladly I bought them at this right time, cause bro, I could barely even hop on the freeway for real. If I hop on the freeway and I hit the wrong puddle or like even skate over a motherfucking hydroplane little puddle, this motherfucker get the ice skating or ice gliding and shit. Some Charlie right here. Ain't no him dog though. Ain't no him dog though. Damn, you wouldn't go see if I was trying to get up. You just gotta pull straight up. Pause.
What the hell did you just say?
It's a thing on the S. I ain't gonna lie, when I was on my way to work, I don't know, what's that this morning? I think when I was on my way to work this morning, man, whoever got a white 300, just plain 300, that bitch said 300, ain't say 300S, ain't say 300C, that bitch said 300. I don't know if it's a 5.7 swap, but nigga, he could have been swap, probably like a 300S to speed bass, but that nigga, he was going, I hit my shit, I was leaving him, but that nigga was right there though, and I was still leaving his ass though, but that nigga thought he could keep up with my shit. Cause I know this nigga hit my gas behind me. I'm like, this nigga pushing. I'm like, this nigga pushing up real fast, though. And what are you doing? V6 don't get. No, they do get love, but still, like, can't be doing what you just did, though. Come out the freeway. That should be a little bit too quick for you. And I'm not doing no push and shit like that. I was just doing. I will not be sitting here letting my tires spin on the freeway. That's over. Fuck on the axle. Lose control of this bitch. Ball this bitch up. If I made it first though, buddy. Kinda had like half. Oh. Y'all see that? Bumpy to the motherfucker. I kinda had to half throttle that bitch, cause I feel like if I was going full throttle that bitch go like motherfucking slippy gear. Not slippy gear, but like slippy spin. Oh shit. What time I blink around for? Try to hit this tunnel for y'all up here so I get it a better echo with the car. Cause y'all know when y'all go through tunnels and stuff, the car be way better. Top the little windows a little bit. I believe we are on stock exhaust, I believe right now. I just put gas here yesterday, but the way I drive, I can't even complain about why it's so low. But I swear, on the way to work this morning, my shit said like 70. But I was kind of tripping this morning. If I got the clip in time, I might drop the clip in. But if I don't get it, oh well, I guess y'all won't be able to see it till I get it. But yeah, I was doing some little burnout hitting corners though, nothing too crazy. But it's a line, they for sure about to hear this motherfucker roar. I might have came through the downshift right here. I would have downshift like, Not doing it on no curve, I wish I hit the tunnel. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Motherfucker made some noise for sure, hope not too much noise. Bruh, what are you doing? Why is your blinker on, Timmy? Nigga just look like you drive that truck, your name be Timmy or something, or Jimmy. Jim. Some shit like that. But no, though, I ain't gonna lie, I heard them F-150s be sleepers, though. Damn. Come with me so they won't see the camera. Not turning no more, bro. That windows right back up. This motherfucking Malibu. I slow this bitch down. I forgot this bitch, the tires ball, so you really can't go over like, I wanna say 50 shit. Well, I was not going 50, but
You going to jail?
you don't wanna go over 30. Oh shit, see, I feel this bitch already hydroplane. You gotta be careful. You be hitting puddles everywhere. Like, look at that big ass pothole right over top. Ooh. I don't know who the hell that wreck is, but it was me. I can't wait till I swap this diff out, bro. That might be one of my next mods, bro. Cause this one I got right now is doo-doo. And I believe my traction all the way up, cause my traction light is on, but I might just be flashing, cause it gotta be just flashing cause of the clock screen. No way my traction is fully off. And I can't toss this bitch like I toss my Scat. But in the rain, this bitch get nasty for sure, most likely.